Welcome to ABC High Tech Learning YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to learn about number system. A number system is a system of representing a quantity using distinct symbols. There are various types of number system used in mathematics. The four most commonly used number systems in the context of computers are decimal number system, binary number system, octal number system, and hexadecimal number system. Its corresponding radix or base values are given here. For decimal number system, base value is 10. For binary number system, base value is 2. For octal number system, base value 8. For hexadecimal number system, base value is 16. Let's discuss about these number system one by one with an example. First one is decimal number system. It's also called as radix 10 number system or base 10 number system. Here you can observe that radix or base. Radix and base both are having the same meaning. That's why this number system can also be called as a radix 10 number system or base 10 number system. Okay, so this number system has base 10 as it uses 10 distinct digits from 0 to 9. And here 1923 is taken as an example for the decimal number. And here you can observe that it uses the digits only from the set of digits that is defined for the number system. And also here its base value is written as its subscripts in order to easily identify its type of the number system. So next number system is binary number system. It is also called as radix 2 number system, and this number system has base 2 as it uses two distinct digits 0 and 1. Here 10101 is taken as an example for binary number system, and here you can observe it uses the digits only 0 and 1 which is defined for binary number system. And here its base value is written as its subscript. Next number system is octal number system. It is also called as radix 8 number system or base 8 number system, and it has base 8 as it uses 8 distinct digits from 0 to 7. Here 1073 is taken as an example for octal number, and here you can observe that it uses the digits from the set of values defined for the octal number system. Okay, so here its base is written as its subscript. Next one, hexadecimal number system. It's also called as radix 16 number system, and it has base 16 as it uses 16 distinct digits from 0 to 9 and from A to F. Here 109A is taken as an example for hexadecimal number, and here it uses the digits only from the set of values defined for hexadecimal number system, that is 0 to 9 and from A to F. Here you can see 109, it is taken from the for here 0 to 9, it falls between 0 to 9, and A is available here. So that's why it's a valid hexadecimal number. So here in this video we have learnt about number system and its type. In the next video we will learn about how to convert radix or number system into decimal number system. Viewers, if you find that this video is useful to you, kindly subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching.